Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to make your photos pop with a cool 3D Polaroid effect in Canva? Click Create to start a new project. Select Custom Size, then enter 100 by 200 pixels. Click Create again to confirm. Next, go to the Elements tab. In the search bar, type Frame. From the results, choose the frame titled Perspective. Click it to add the perspective frame to your canvas. Here, you can view the available frames. Select this specific frame to use it. Once selected, we'll proceed to the next step together. Go to the Elements tab, then use the search bar to type soccer. Browse the results, find an image you like, and select the photo to add it to your project. Select the image, add it to the frame, then choose a second image to include in the frame. Remove the background, then align the image by pressing the arrow keys. This lets you position it precisely to match your project. Select the image by clicking on it. Then, use your mouse to drag the image to a new position. Move it carefully, aligning it with the target area shown. Continue adjusting the placement until the image matches the reference point as closely as possible for accurate positioning. To resize the object, select it by clicking once. Then, click and drag any of the corner handles inward to make it smaller. Release the mouse button once you reach the desired size. This helps fit the object within your layout. After matching this image, select all related elements by holding Shift and clicking each one. Once everything is selected, right-click and choose Group from the menu. This groups the items together, making it easier to move or resize them as a single unit. This completes our final product arrangement. Switch to zoom mode and carefully inspect the content to check for any issues or problems that may be present. Click the Share button, then select Download from the menu. Next, adjust the size settings to maximize the quality of your file. Once you've chosen the best quality option, click the Download button again to save the file directly to your device. Now you can make stunning 3D Polaroid frames in Canva. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.